Okay, Natalie, Kayla, Justo, Claudia, Felix, Iker, and whoever else that I'm missing. In place of certain lessons, for instance, Nearpod, I know that they are only in English, but what I want y'all to do is to go ahead and do Imagine Learning as well. I want y'all to do it for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Okay. This is just to help you guys with your English language. To get to Imagine Language or Imagine Learning, what I want you to do, you have to sign into Clever. So you're going to open up a new tab. We're going to go to clever.com. From here, you're going to log in as a student. You're going to click on Login with Google. And Clever is going to open up. And if you remember when we were in school, we're going to go to the Imagine Language and Literacy. We're going to click on this little robot and it will open up your portal. Every student is going to be different. I have access to all y'all's information so that way I can see your progress. But I want y'all to do Imagine Language and Literacy. Now for y'all, it will be different. It's going to tell me, it's going to tell you where to start. So you're just going to continue from there. And if you notice on my end, I'm going to be able to see how long y'all are on doing your lessons. Okay. But for right now, what I want y'all to do is Imagine Language and Literacy. So that way y'all can have more practice with English language. Right. And that's it. I will be posting some videos later to help assist with your Nearpod assignments. I'll talk to y'all soon. If y'all have any questions, ask me in the stream of the classwork on Google Classroom.